AI can be a salesperson's best friend, but it can also get you into serious trouble. So let's talk about what using AI in sales really means and how to do it without creating a mess. Sales runs on information and follow-ups, making AI a huge advantage. But it's also where teams create huge risks. Pasting customer data into the wrong tools, sending incorrect claims, or letting AI mess with your CRM records. The best way to think about it is simple. AI is for decision support. It drafts emails, summarizes calls, and organizes data, but a human must approve everything before it goes out. Here are 5 high-value ways to use it safely. First, turn your scattered notes into a clean one-page brief on a new lead. Their industry, challenges, and competitors. Just be sure to verify everything. Second, draft cold emails and LinkedIn messages, then rewrite them for tone. This avoids that spammy, robotic feel. Third, after a call, have AI convert your notes into pain points, requirements, and next steps, and then draft the follow-up email for you to review. Fourth, use AI to clean up your CRM data, like converting messy notes into structured fields or flagging missing information. Just don't let it auto-edit records. And fifth, create an internal Q&A bot from approved documents so reps can get quick answers without making up product features. So where does it go wrong? Watch out for pasting private customer data, AI making up features or pricing, and breaking compliance rules. Your brand voice can also get lost if the AI sounds too generic or pushy. To start safely, begin with low-risk tasks like rewriting text for tone. Then move to medium-risk things like drafting customer follow-ups, always with human review. Avoid high-risk actions like auto-sending emails or auto-baiting your CRM without strict controls. Here's your checklist. Never paste secrets into AI tools. Always verify facts like pricing. Keep everything customer-facing as a draft first, and give AI read-only access to your tools initially. AI can make your sales team faster and more effective, but only if you protect customer data. Verify facts and keep a human in the loop. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz channel. It really helps us grow.